Okay, welcome to chemistry Sk015. This is Pre Lab for experiment 1. So experiment 1 is about determination of the formula unit of a compound. Hopefully, at the end of this lesson, all of you can define the term compound, formula unit, empirical formula, and molecular formula. Determine the formula unit of a compound. Identify the safety precaution of the experiment. Please read over the lab manual and then answer the following question. So we have two activities. For the first activity, you need to answer the question for the link given. For the second activity, it's about data analysis. Please answer the question from the pre-lab module from page 3. This is an example for data analysis. So the question is, an experiment was conducted to determine the formula unit of calcium chloride. The following data was recorded. So we have here mass of empty crucible and lead. We have mass of crucible, lead and calcium strip. We have mass of crucible, lead and calcium chloride after first heating and after second heating. Okay, from all this data, we need to determine the formula unit of the compound. So the compound is calcium chloride. So what is the formula unit for calcium chloride? So what is the first step? The first step, we must have mass of calcium. We can get mass of calcium by using mass of crucible, lead and calcium strip minus mass of anti-crucible and lead. So mass of calcium is equal to 0.4020 gram. Then we need to find mass of chlorine. But before that, we must find mass of calcium chloride first. So to calculate the mass of calcium chloride, we take mass of crucible, lead and calcium chloride after second heating minus mass of empty crucible and lead. So mass of calcium chloride is 1.1145 gram. Then calculate mass of chlorine. We take mass of calcium chloride minus mass of calcium. So the mass of chlorine is equal to 0.7125 gram. Okay, then we have the mass of calcium. We also have the mass of chlorine. The next step is to find number of mole. So we take mass of calcium divide by its molar mass. So number of mole for calcium is 0.010. Okay, the same thing happened to the chlorine. We take the mass of chlorine divide by its molar mass. So the number of mole of chlorine is 0.0201. Next, we find the mole ratio. So mole ratio is number of mole of each substance divided by the smallest number of mole. So the smallest number of mole here is calcium. So number of mole of calcium divided by the smallest number of mole. For chlorine also divide by the smallest number of mole. So the mole ratio for calcium is 1 and the mole ratio for chlorine is 2. So the formula you need for calcium chloride is CaCl2. Okay. Then safety precaution. This experiment will release hydrogen. So wet hydrogen is very explosive. No flame are permitted in the laboratory when the gas is released. So please do the experiment in fume cardboard. Then zinc chloride is caustic. Must be handled carefully in order to avoid contact with your skin. Please wear gloves when handle this experiment. So, do your best. Good luck. See you again.